Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search for the Xiaomi 14T. This innovative feature lets you quickly find information about anything visible on your screen. It's incredibly useful for identifying products, places, or even text without leaving your current application. We'll go through the simple steps to activate and utilize this powerful tool, making your device experience much more efficient and informative. Get ready to discover how easy it is. Activating Circle to search is straightforward and intuitive. Begin by long pressing the home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a visual overlay appear, signaling that the feature is active. Now, simply use your finger or a stylus to circle, highlight, or even scribble over the Xiaomi 14T or any other item you wish to search. Once you release your touch, the search results will instantly appear, providing you with relevant information. Now, let's make your store visually appealing. Head to the online store section and choose a theme that reflects your brand. Shopify offers many free and paid options. Customize your chosen theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand identity. Add important pages such as About Us, Contact, and FAQ to provide a complete and trustworthy shopping experience for your customers. To get the most out of Circle to search when looking for the Xiaomi 14T, here are a few helpful tips. Always ensure the image of the device is clear and well lit, as this significantly improves recognition accuracy. When circling, try to be as precise as possible, focusing only on the phone itself and avoiding extraneous background elements. If your initial search isn't perfect, try different angles or combine your visual search with a few descriptive words for highly specific and accurate results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.